Hey guys, it's auction time for classic cars in Omaha, Nebraska. Remlinger and Restore Muscle Car teamed up at the CHI Health Center in downtown Omaha, August 4th and 5th. It's all indoor, air conditioning, food, alcohol, all the bells and whistles. Everything's in one big room so you can see all the cars, auction going live, and everything you need to see will be also online for online bidding. So you don't want to miss out. It's time to get your car in, get it submitted, get it consigned so that you can take advantage of all of our marketing power that we have in place this year. So head on over to remlingerauctions.com to get your car consigned today. Otherwise, you can also go to restoremusclecar.com. We'll have links there and also in our social media on this post that you're going to be seeing live as well. Time to sell your car or come and buy a car at our auction. Don't miss out.